guys, Danielle with Honey Truck here. Today I'm going to show you how I repurpose some of my beeswax by applying it to plastic foundation. The main reason I do this is because oftentimes bees won't build out their comb on those plastic frames. So by adding a layer of their own wax, it encourages them to build out that comb. Let's get started. The first thing I need to do is melt my wax. I use a double boiler because I find indirect heat to be the most effective at not overheating the wax. It's important to note, once you get wax on your equipment, it's nearly impossible to get off, so be sure to use equipment that you don't mind getting messy. Once the wax is fully melted, you're ready to go. You'll need to move quickly as the wax will start to harden as it cools. To apply the wax, I used a mini roller, which worked perfectly. Coat your roller with the wax and then roll it on your frames. Once applied, they're ready for the bees to use.